How you doing, guys? And welcome back. And yes, I'm here hanging out cleaning the Carrera because I don't use it, but I do take care of it, you know, because you have to because it gets dirty, and then the trees I have there, you know, they get leaves inside the boat and stuff like that. But also you got to start it once a month. You know, I got to start the motors once a month because they are 2-stroke, and I guess it's about that time because I'm here like everybody, stuck at home with nothing to do. I think I have fixed everything in my house and on the boats because you have to waste time, you know, to get through this time that we're in. So it's kind of good. I kind of done things that I thought I didn't find the time, so I found the time and plenty. It is for sale. I mean, I have it up for sale. I'm asking $39,000, but I mean, people offer me dumb low balls and stuff like that, and I'm not really sure if I want to sell it, you know. So if I get something near the 39, I consider it. But I do love this boat. I mean, I love the boat. It's 9.6 beam. It's the hull. It's 32 feet, and then it has another 2 feet of platform in the back. But I love the way this boat rides. I mean, it's very stable in the water. I love it because when you fish, and actually when everybody gets to one side, it doesn't tilt like most boats. When everybody gets to one side, the boat feels like it's gonna capsize. And I have great memories on it. Actually, I'm gonna tell you guys, there was a time that we went to the sandbar, and if you guys follow me for a long time, you probably saw the video. But if you're new to the channel, this is might be like a year and a half ago, or maybe 2 years. We went to the sandbar, and I had 18 people on the boat, and I'm gonna show you a clip of that and tell me what you think. It was fun time. Check it out. What do you think? It was fun, right? Yes, it was a fun day. We all have fun, and there was a lot of parts on the video that I couldn't put because, you know, when people have a little bit too much to drink, they do things and they kind of regret or don't remember. So, you know, I was nice about it. I'm always nice about it because I see a lot of crazy stuff like this. Check this out. So yeah, I mean, it's great remembering the good times in the Carrera. And I mean, I don't know, maybe I have future plans for it. You see the back seats there? I would love to actually cut a door through here. Well, first of all, I will cut this whole back here and put the seats against the transom, you know, and then like that I'm gonna gain at least about 2 feet off the back, and then from there I will cut the door through. And then here I would change the center console and make a complete head inside the center console because there is enough room. Because I don't know if you guys could see. Let me see if I can open this so I'm moving the seat. There's about it's about I say about 2.5-3 feet under the floor because this boat is very thick. That's another thing I like about this boat. It sits very high. Normally when I park next to 30-footers and 35s, my rub rail, it's higher than theirs because this boat sits very high off the water. And also, if you guys notice, it's pretty high on and this is the lowest part of the boat. It gets higher up here. Look at this. You see, this boat is really high. So I love the way this boat is done. Just I would change things on it, like I told you, like I was saying. I would do that to the back transom. Change the center console, and let me show you something that I guess I never showed you guys. The cabin. That this cabin, to be a cuddy cabin, it's really big. Basically, you know, you could probably lay 2 adults and a kid in here. It's pretty wide. This cabin is pretty wide. It has a porta potty right here, but I would change that. And like I said, stick the head in the center console. I will put, because you see those seats there? They're right well, they're not, you can't see it, but they're right here. So I will put an AC unit inside the seat, and that's it. The whole cabin will have AC unit on this side. And then on this side, I would stick maybe a little closet or something. With a good, you know, fiberglass guy and craftsmanship, this boat has a lot of potential. This is a boat I would love to change it, you know, modify it to my likings. Overall, it's a great hull. I don't know why they don't change. The Carrera doesn't keep making this hull. They make the European style that me personally I don't like. I don't like the cut transom in the back. I mean, it is nice, the integrated platform in the back, but I think it steals a lot of room from the boat because my cousin has a 36 Carrera, and it's just more with the cutty. And you know what? I'm gonna show you a clip that day that he went out with us. Check out the clip. He's the red Carrera right next to me. Check it out. Tell me what you think. All right, so yeah, the red boat is a 36 Carrera. Basically, it's the same hull. It's just it has the European built-in transom that makes the 2 extra or 3 extra feet or 4 feet, whatever it is. But talking about the transom, another thing, I will keep the bolt-on transom platform, but make it 3 feet. The one I have is 2 feet. I will make it 3 feet side to side with all the harness and everything through the platforms. Like that, you could walk in the back of the boat. And me personally, I think some boats ride better with bolt-on bracket. I guess the platform in the back maybe creates an air pocket so it floats the boat in the back. It's pretty spacious. I mean, it has a big front. Oh yeah, another thing, the front is so big because right there there's a big giant closet that I keep all my life vests in there. So that's something you know, to fix. And up here has enough room to put a windlass. So, you know, and see, pretty wide. Like I said before, 9.6, and the hull is 32 with a 2 feet platform, so it actually makes it a 34. So I'm here cleaning the Carrera, and I just finished cleaning actually the inside. Now I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the motors and have them running for at least 10 minutes each. 2-stroke does not have oil, so they need oil, so you run the motors at least 10 minutes. I try to do at least 10 minutes for every month. You know, like that, the motors keep oiled inside. So let me do that now. Let me go find the hose and let me turn it on. Old girl still got it. Whoop. Especially when you come out of the water. So you gotta do it. So remember, if you got a 2-stroke and you're not using it because of the situation we're in, remember to turn it on at least once a month. Like that, you lubricate all the internal parts. So, and hope you guys enjoy the video. And like I said, I would love to bring you guys sandbar videos, fishing videos, but I'm stuck at home like everybody else. So, you know, trying to make the best of it. And hopefully by May 1st. So we'll see what happens in May 1st. See if things go back to normal or things are still crazy, worse or better. But, you know, just be safe, protect yourself, protect your family. And just avoid being around people. Like for example, you guys saw me with the little motorcycle, but I was far away in the boony land. I mean, like I might go up to my dad's house again, and at my dad's house there's nobody around. So just right now, be antisocial, I guess you want to say. So well guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All right guys, thank you for watching and stay safe.